I'm about almost 4 days post carpal tunnel surgery on the left wrist. You noticed I already have paint on my hand. Yeah, I don't even know how I got it there. At this point in my life, there's just paint everywhere in my life. I'm having a much more difficult time this time around than I did the first time. I've got some really bad bruising going on here. I actually had to stuff a tissue at the end here because the Velcro is irritating the bruise. But I'm not letting it stop me as much as I can. Today I'm just going to do a simple pour. I'm going to do a swipe. I have not done one of these in a very long time, and I have not tried to do one in a long time, but I do have my swipey thing, and I think I'm going to just pour directly, the colors directly on, and then I think I'm going to use black. So first, okay, I can't even open it with that one. I can hold it, kind of. Okay. And I'm going to do the black from down there. I'm going to kind of do it like this. In my house, you never leave the paint uncovered. That is just an invitation for cats to come and play. Color shift paint. None of these colors have silicone in them. I'm only going to put silicone in the black that I'm going to use to do this swipe with. And now I think I want to go purples. First light, then dark. Actually, maybe I'll mix it up. And then I have a dark purple as well. This is the first time I've worked with these two specific colors from this brand. So I'm curious how they're going to come out. I want to put a little bit more of the light back in there. Actually, it's something else. Silver or brown or both. Let's see if I can get the container off of the silver. The last time we did this and I had an owie hand, it didn't work out too well. And now I have two owie hands. So let's see if we can actually get this off. And if not, I am not going to worry about it. And you know what? I am not going to worry about it. This is going to cause me to make a different choice that I actually think I'm going to like. I'm going to go with a little bit of... Ow, ow. I told you, the hand hurts bad this time around. And I can barely hold this paint container in my other hand, which is about 2.5 weeks post-op now. So, that. Okay, so a little bit in the bottom. I'm getting it on my hands now because of that. And some pain in the left hand. Okay. And I want to add, this is the Spot On treadmill belt lubricant that you can buy on Amazon, lots of other places as well. I think this is the first time I've done a swipe and actually used silicone. Alright, then I'm going to put a little bit more black in there. Okay. Oops. Alright, here we go. I'm going to do this a little bit. Ow, ow, ow. Careful around there. Right, I'm actually going to go a little bit this way now too. Alright, here we go. Fire. That looks pretty cool. Not bad for my... I was just barely able to hold on to that skim and skim across it. And be able to skim across it. Just... Ow, ow, ow. Barely able to do that. I'm just kind of wild about how that white is right in the middle there. The big block of white. I like it a lot. I'm going to take a few close-ups. And then we're just going to let it go and see what it does. Well, that is looking really interesting. I like how we've got these cells coming up here in cells and cells and cells. So there's green and white and purple, and me putting my finger in it, which is not at all common. So I am going to let this rest and see what I come back to tomorrow.